Assalamu alaikum. I'm no longer a Christian reading Quran. I am now a Muslim reading Quran. Alhamdulillah, I am Muslim today. I just took my Shahada and oh my gosh, I have never felt so happy or so at peace. This is one of my top 3 days of my life, besides marrying my husband and having my daughter. This is my top day in my life. Alhamdulillah, that Allah, He guided me here, that He guided me back to Him, to the truth, to my true path. I really feel that I have a purpose in life again. I really feel that I'm on the right path, and I'm so happy to be Muslim. Also, a note about the hijab. I feel so cute. I feel more beautiful in hijab, wallahi. I'm walking through the streets and I feel like a queen with her crown. I haven't made this decision to be full-time hijabi, but today I tried it and I really like the feeling. So inshallah, Allah will help me with that in the future. But for now, yay, I'm a Muslim and I'm so happy. And thank you to everyone who helped me. And may Allah give you Jannah and reward you for all that you've done and for all of your support and love.